Hello, StarTech here, another unboxing here. Today is the Akasa Lokstor M52, and this isn't just exclusively Akasa. I have seen StarTech's, Icy Boxes and other manufacturers basically do the same thing. It's probably made by the same factory in China and they just rebrand it. But this is pretty much the cheapest hot swappable HDD thing. So I already cut some of the plastic here, so let's just get on to it. So while I peel this plastic, I'll talk what this is. Basically, you put this in a 5¼ inch spot, and I'm sorry, and alright, so there, the plastic is now off. So you put this in a 5¼ inch slot, so your DVD drive slot, etc. And you can put hard drives in and just hot swap it. Makes it really convenient. And this is far from the best. This is probably the worst, since this is the cheapest, but for 25 euros you really cannot say no. So let's see what's inside. So here's the thing itself. And here's a SATA cable. That's nice for them to include, and that doesn't seem like those. That seems a little bit high quality than those extremely cheap ones. Come on, camera, why won't you focus? For some reason my camera just refuses to focus now. But the security lock, the instruction booklet, and this little cable thing, which I will say, actually I'm gonna explain a little bit why this is probably the best one of these, and this kind of is part of it. So there's some shrink wrap. You can look at that while I take it off. I need to be more professional later on, but right now I don't have a camera stand, so. Yo! I'm sorry. Anyway, so here it is. So it's the other way around. So yeah, the front is plastic, the mechanism is metal. Basically you put it like this. You slide your HDD there, and then you just lock it like that. And it needs to be a 3½ inch. You cannot put a 2½ inch. But this is where it becomes the best. Simply put, see this little thing here? This is the LED light. With the other ones of these, I have seen them basically give a header that you put to your motherboard's LED HDD drive light thing. That's crap, because if you have your case already connected there, yeah, that ain't gonna work out. So basically what Akasa did was they put this connected to this little PCB, and you connect this to the SATA power, and you connect this little thing to that PCB. And it theoretically, at least I don't know, I haven't tried it, should give you a drive light, just like that. If it doesn't do that, well then I'll just not plug that thing in. Anyway, you just then connect it there and such like that. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. See you in the next video.